Hello.
Magandang gabi po.
Anong pangalan mo?
Osang.
Ilang taon ka na, Osang?
31 po.
Ano ang trabaho mo?
Stand-up comedian po.
Matagal ka na bang sumasali sa singing contests?
Hindi na po talaga sumasali sa singing contest. Mga beauty contest po. This is my first time to join a singing contest.
Anong kakantahin mo?
Isang sweet na awitin po.
Okay.
Let the body sit the floor. Let the body sit the floor. Let the body sit the floor. Let the body sit the Are you ready? Hey! Beaten wide board can't take much more. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Nothing wrong with me, nothing wrong with me, nothing wrong with me, nothing wrong with me. Something's gotta give, something's gotta give, something's gotta give. Now! Let the body sit the floor, let the body sit the floor, let the body sit the floor, let the body sit the floor.
Therese, Gary, Tita Pilita,
Yes!
I think we should pray over him.
Oh my
That
God.
was unbelievable.
So, Tito Martin, the thing is, ang daming nag-try na kumanta ng rock, na yung talaga heavy metal na
classic
ano,
rock.
ganyang klase.
That's how you do
That's
it.
how you do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Napaka-sweet yung
Ang
kanta.
sweet nung kanta, ah. Natouch ako.
Eh, boses mo, dress. Pero kanta mo, jeans.
More!
Boy!
Mr. Bombastic. What is the bombastic, romantic, bombastic lover? Shake it. Mr. Loba Loba. Mr. Loba Loba. Hey, go. Mr. Loba Loba. Mr. Loba Loba. Say, she called me Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic. Show me about the system, Mr. Right. Romantic, tell me fantastic. Show me about the system, Mr. World. Just like a silk castle, under the humble, I'm a lyrical love. Let's go with the pill, with my sexual BC. You know a pill, bombastic, tell me fantastic. Show me about the system, Mr. World. Romantic, tell me fantastic. Show me about the system, Mr. Boom, 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 bombastic.
Oh! I have to say this. Listen to me. We have 4 categories. Female, male, groups, over 25. You hit all 4 of them.
Alam mo, this is the strangest thing I'm going to say. You come out here and you talk and you act like any other gay person would. But when you perform, you're 100% man.
Oh my God, I have to agree.
Sa lahat ng mga nag-audition, yung boses mo and your talent is the most versatile.
The most.
Yung kung ano, ang hirap nun yung tapos bilang, Mr. Bombastic.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Where have you been all our lives? Huh? You are a total performer, a total entertainer, and a great singer.
You are not just a stand-up comedian. You have some serious talent
You're very
na nakatago sa loob. Wow, ano ba? Vote?
Oh my gosh.